Is your Maytag Atlantis washer not spinning? The most common culprits are the lid switch, balance system, or drive system. We'll quickly diagnose and address each, helping you avoid costly repairs. The lid switch is a safety mechanism that prevents spinning if the lid is open. It can fail due to wear, corrosion, or misalignment. Test it with a multimeter for continuity. The balance system handles uneven loads during high-speed spinning. The balance ring, filled with fluid, counters vibrations. Check for cracks or low fluid and redistribute laundry evenly. The drive system includes the motor, belt, pulleys, and transmission. Common issues are belt slippage from wear or motor capacitor failure. Inspect for obstructions and unusual noises. We'll diagnose each of these systems to help you avoid costly repairs. The lid switch is a critical safety feature in your Maytag Atlantis washer. It prevents the drum from spinning when the lid is open, protecting users from injury during the spin cycle. To troubleshoot, first inspect the lid switch for common issues: wear on the mechanical parts, corrosion caused by moisture exposure, or misalignment that prevents the switch from making proper contact when the lid closes. To test the switch electrically, use a multimeter to check for continuity. Set it to the continuity or resistance mode and probe the switch terminals. When the lid is closed, the resistance should be near 0 ohms, indicating a complete circuit. Refer to the washer's wiring diagram to understand how the lid switch connects to the control board. The switch acts as a normally open circuit that closes when the lid is shut, allowing the spin cycle to proceed. If the lid switch is faulty, it will continuously signal that the lid is open, even when it's properly closed. This prevents the washer from entering the spin cycle, requiring replacement of the switch assembly. An unbalanced load in your washer can trigger the machine to stop spinning as a safety measure to prevent damage. When clothes bunch up on one side, the washer detects this imbalance and pauses the spin cycle to avoid excessive vibrations that could damage the machine. Single heavy items create significant imbalance at high spin speeds, which can lead to the washer stopping or even causing mechanical stress. The balance ring is a fluid-filled tube that surrounds the drum. As the washer spins, this fluid shifts to counteract vibrations and keep the machine stable during high-speed spinning. Inspect the balance ring for visible cracks, leaks, or low fluid levels. Damage to this component can prevent proper vibration dampening, leading to spin issues. If spinning stops due to imbalance, pause the cycle and redistribute the laundry evenly around the drum. This simple step often restores normal spin performance. The drive system includes the motor, belt, pulleys, and transmission. Common issues are a worn or loose belt, motor capacitor failure leading to weak starts, or transmission problems. Common issues include a worn or loose belt. Inspect the belt for wear and proper tension. Motor capacitor failure can cause weak starts. Listen for unusual noises during cycles. Transmission problems can occur. Unplug the washer before inspecting any components. A Reddit user successfully fixed their 2002 Maytag Atlantis washer that had stopped spinning mid-cycle. By replacing the lid switch assembly for just $15 after watching a YouTube tutorial, they avoided $300 in professional repair costs. Community forums and video tutorials provide valuable guidance for common repairs like this. ApplianceVideo.com's tutorial demonstrates fixing a snapped drive belt in a Maytag Atlantis washer caused by pet hair buildup. The video shows the disassembled machine with the motor and belt, highlighting how pet hair causes belt failure. Vibration tests reveal how imbalance worsens the issue, showing excessive shaking during spin cycles. The exploded diagram illustrates spin gear components, explaining how untreated imbalance can cause transmission damage. Experts from the Appliance Repair Institute recommend annual lid switch checks and balance ring inspections to prevent most Atlantis washer failures. According to RepairClinic.com data, lid switch issues cause 35% of problems, balance accounts for 28%, and drive system failures make up 25%. Taking these preventive steps can avoid costly repairs. Future trends in appliance repair focus on sustainability and smart integration. DIY repairs are on the rise, with homeowners handling 40% of fixes through online tutorials and community forums. Eco-friendly solutions like biodegradable lubricants for belts and part recycling programs help reduce environmental impact. especially as newer energy-efficient models become more common. Smart home integration is key, with many owners retrofitting Atlantis units with IoT sensors for predictive maintenance, reducing breakdowns by 25%. Looking ahead, the shift towards circular economy practices like part recycling and modular designs will minimize e-waste, with retrofitting reducing waste by 30%. These trends signal a move toward more sustainable and tech-savvy appliance care.